You can see all my pores. Nice. Hi guys, I'm gonna do my makeup for today. I already did my hair. I got my earrings. I borrowed my mom's top since all mine are in the boxes and they don't want to unpack. So first is skincare. Can you not? Rude. I'm gonna do my SK2 Clear Lotion Toner. A cotton pad. We have monkeys in the background, so. It says Clear Lotion. Facial Treatment Clear Lotion. It's a toner. And I forgot to pack a mirror. So I just have this tiny one from Miniso. So that's what we're gonna use. Next, I'm gonna put my essence. This is the SK2 Facial Treatment Essence. Just gonna put a few drops on my palm and slap it on. Next, I'm gonna use my primer. Or what is this? This is a moisturizer. It's the Glam Glow Glowstarter Mega Illuminating Foundation in Nude Glow. I packed a lot of sample sizes so they take up less space and less weight. Do you want to put on your false lashes? I have glue. Next is foundation. I only bought one for the trip. It is the Mercier Flawless Fusion Ultra Longwear Foundation in Honey. I'm just going to take where's my brush? My brush! This is the Real Techniques Expert Face Brush. And I just do a few pumps. And I start in one spot. Why are you staring at me? Take a photo, it'll last longer. I keep this brush out so after naps I can just pat my face. So that's why that's there. Next are eyebrows. So I'm taking, if I can find it. This is the Anastasia Medium Brown Brow Powder Duo. And I just take the middle color and I start off with the Zoliva 322 Brown Line Brush. And I make my first lines where the edge of my eyebrow is at the bottom. And I just follow the natural line that I have. And then I go to the top. You need glue, bro.
There's an adhesive on it.
It's not gonna work for a long time. We got eyebrows, and then we just fill them in. I like to drag it a little bit more forward because I feel like my eyebrows start a bit short recently. So
lost in the script, so good it feels fictive.
There's that, and then I take a Anastasia, the brow pencil, not brow brush, and I comb through. And then I follow up with the Anastasia brow gel. There's no masquerading, it's not complicated. And there we go. It's a very natural brow. Does it hurt? She's trying to put on false lashes. Do you know how?
No.
And then we do the same thing on the other side. And then I like to take my foundation brush after the gel has set. I like to blend in the first or the inner corner of the brows. And final touch up, I take the Anastasia Brow Wiz in medium brown. That's the spoolie. And I do the ends and make them really sharp.
There's no masquerading, it's not complicated. Your love's like that.
Are you gonna do false lashes today?
We're not even going anywhere.
But you can still wear it. I'll do it too then. Huh?
Okay.
Okay. Before you do that, you're supposed to curl your lashes. Did you curl your lashes? I'm gonna do it and you copy. Okay? Shoot more eyelash curler and Nude House band since the other one is worn out. So just gonna curl your lashes. So here's the mascara. I'm using the Hourglass Caution Ultra Black. Caution Extreme Lash Mascara. I like to do mascara before the lashes because I don't want mascara on my false lashes. I'm gonna do a quick nose contour.
That's from what's it called? Robinson's.
That glow dough. I use the Physicians Formula Nude Wear.
Your forehead is cut off.
There's no numbers, so that's okay. A blush. We'll do some lash. There's no mirror. She took my clothes and she put it in her room and then she locked it. How am I gonna wear my clothes? So I took her clothes. And then I'm gonna take this Metallist, a sparkling foiled pigment. So it's just gold foil. And then it's like Luha, tears, angel eyes. I take this brush. Take the same contour that I use, which is the Physicians Formula Butter Bronzer. Yes! You're in my audio. And we just...
You didn't realize? That's why she's been talking.
I'm not talking to myself.
You do, but just not today.
I got shot.
You got shot?
What? I said I have so much.
Oh. Well, close enough.
Dry lips. I'm eating my lip balm here. And that's it. That's my makeup for today. Here's my look, guys. I did my hair up in a half, up to very 70s, 80s. I have wooden earrings to match to the pops of yellow in my top. And that's it.